Hey guys, back here with some router hacks. Let's get into it. All right, so I got asked to take this board and bring it down in thickness. It was a little bit too thick. So first thing I should think of when I do this, thickness planer. The problem is this guy will not fit. So I started sanding and a genius moment hit me. Why don't I just use the router, right? I can set my router bit to a particular depth that I want it and I can just route away, right? I started doing that. These little lines will have to be sanded out, but it's way better than sanding down a particular thickness. Let's get a little montage. Let's watch it as it's done. All right, she's about done. If I were to do things differently, and I was kind of in a rush to do this, so forgive me if you're like, oh, you should have did this. If I were to do things differently, I would set this on kind of like a fence. Now I would evenly take it off based on what the fence is doing. Quick work gets you quick results. Good thing is this is going to be the top. You shouldn't see the bottom. As long as the bottom is relatively flat, you should have relatively good success. This is just a quick little lesson. I hope you guys enjoyed. This router is on fire, so that would be it. If this isn't good enough, if you do this, you're like, oh man, how can I fix this? It's not gonna be nice because it's plywood. I wouldn't necessarily recommend this on plywood, but you can put a little bit of wood filler into these spots. You can put a little bit of glue, maybe some sawdust, and patch it, and then you sand it flat from there. It's a lot of sand work. If it's something that is going to be out facing, I would recommend definitely filling in these spots and then sanding it down. All right, guys, I'll catch you on the next episode.